To add a credit card to Google Pay, you will need to start by opening the Google Pay app on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once the app is open, you will see a prompt to set up a payment method. Tap on the Add Payment Method option. Next, you will be asked to choose the type of payment method you want to add. Select credit or debit card. You will then be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any issues. After entering your card details, you will be asked to verify your card. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the card. You will receive a verification code on your phone or email. Enter this code in the Google Pay app to complete the verification process. Once your card is verified, you will be able to use it to make payments through Google Pay. You can use Google Pay to make online purchases, pay in stores, or send money to friends and family. To make a payment, simply open the Google Pay app, select the payment method you want to use, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is also important to note that Google Pay uses tokenization to secure your transactions. This means that your actual card number is not stored on your device or shared with merchants. Instead, a unique token is used to represent your card, making it a safe and secure way to make payments. In addition to adding a credit card, you can also add other payment methods to Google Pay, such as debit cards, loyalty cards, and gift cards. This makes it a convenient and versatile payment solution. By following these steps, you can easily add a credit card to Google Pay and start making payments with your device.